Tired of projects turning into chaotic messes where tasks get lost and deadlines become mythical creatures? Let's untangle that mess, and I'll show you exactly how to set up teams and projects in Asana, transforming chaos into a symphony of collaboration. First, make sure you are logged into Asana, and find the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Click on the Teams section. You might already have a default team, but let's create a new one for a specific department or initiative. Look for the Create Team button. It's typically near the top, and click it. A window will pop up asking for your team's name. Enter a descriptive name so everyone knows what this team is all about. Then, you can choose a team icon or color to visually distinguish it. Now, it's time to add your teammates. Click on the Add Members button, and type in their email addresses or names if they're already in your organization. Asana allows you to assign roles, like member or admin, controlling their access and permissions. Once your team is set up, navigate to the Projects tab within your newly created team. This is where you'll organize your actual work. Click New Project to start a fresh project. You can choose from a variety of templates like Project Plan, Task Tracker, or start with a blank canvas. Pick the one that best suits your project's needs. Give your project a clear and concise name, a brief description, and set the privacy settings, making it visible to the entire team or keeping it private, and that's it. You've now created a team and project in Asana, ready to foster collaboration and streamline your workflow. Start adding tasks, assigning owners, and setting due dates to bring your project to life.